Hello there, friends. Hey, I've been really excited to share this video with you for a long time, and I wanted to share it here in the Fons family first before I showed anyone else. But as of today, the new camps and workshop feature is live in your platform, and I think it's going to be pretty transformational for how we work our summers ahead. So anyway, I want to jump in and tell you about the new camps and workshops feature. So let's take a look at it. I'll get out of the way here. So check this out. Under camps and workshops, we can now build as many summer camps or camps as we want to in a very beautiful way. We can add in photos. We can set the attendee limit. We can set what the date of the camp are, where the camp's going to be, what the cost is. Every camp's going to have a public booking link of its own. So when you go to sign in, say, and have one of your current students or a new student sign up for it, you can put this under a button. It can be under your public booking link. It can be on your website. Say, hey, we're doing this camp this week. You can write a description as long as you want to about your camp. You can add photos. And then, of course, you can add registration questions that are individual to the camp. So especially if you're asking something about, allergies or, special considerations you need, or whether you prefer cats or dogs, important stuff like that. So let me show you what it's going to look like. We've got our capacity. We'll just go over here. So once we publish it, here's what that camp's going to look like. So from this button, you've got this really beautiful, simple way for people to sign up, see what your camp's about. Camp Brandon is going to be June 13th to the 17th. The cost, here's how to register, and you've got this information. So from here, obviously this is a test account, but we're going to be able to sign up. We can add children to this, and this is another new feature that you can have one family have 2 or 3, 4 students, whatever, come to one camp and add them all into one camp by themselves, which is awesome. And then we've got our questions. I'll save this. This way you can collect whatever information you need to for your clients for that camp. Doesn't that look good? Right? Now, this is also interesting. If you have a current client signing in, it's just going to ask them, do you want to use your payment method on file? That's totally cool. If it's someone new, it will not show that, obviously, but it'll give them the option to use another payment method to book for that as well. And there we go. That's it. That's the summer camps. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to hear how they go. I think we're going to have great summers. See you soon.